Stop by and take a look at the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, Harman Kardon sound system, keyless entry, power tailgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.